So today I'm going to be solving this cube, and as you can see it's really messed up. So first we have to find the middle pieces here, these ones. So there's one in here already, and it has to match with the color. Like this is blue and this is blue, so it has to match. So next we have to find the orange piece. So here's the orange piece. So we have to move it like this, and we have to move it back like that. And we have to move it like that. Then we have to move it up all the way until it's solved, until you get it in the right spot. Like this. It's in the right spot now.
You try.
So then you have to, so we can already see the red piece, so it'll be easy if it's just like that. So we'll have to find the last piece there, so it's right here. So let's move the cube like that and just put it there. Then we'll move the cube back to its original state. So the next thing we have to do is find the corners. So they have to match up with the color too. So like this, it's red and green. It has to go here because it's red and green. So let's move it up here like that. Then let's put it back and there. It's solved there. So, and then let's search for green and orange. So here it is, a green and an orange piece. So let's move it like that, and then put this here and solve it. But sometimes it'll be on the bottom and it won't work. So then you'll have to sit up and find the piece again. So it's right here. If it's like this, just move it off to the side and take this piece, and it works like that. And for every side, it has to be like this, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. There can be green spots here, 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 but this shape has to be there with all the colors matching. So then let's solve the other two. So it's red and blue. Red and blue is right there. So let's move it up to the side like that, and let's bring out this because it's stuck on the bottom side, and so then that's solved. And then let's just find this final piece. So it's easy, and then it's just like that, and then let's move it and put it here. And then the white layer is solved. So then flip the cube over to the yellow side, and then solve it. So we're going to solve the yellow cross now like we did for the white cross. So the yellow cross, so we have to match it to the color like this, and it cannot be yellow because that will mess up the cube. So, and it just won't work. So this is matching here. So since it has to go to the left side, let's move it to the right. And then we have to do these 4 moves. And then we have to do them again on the right side. See, we solved it here. So then let's search for another one, like right there. So it's green, and since it has to go to the right now, let's move it to the left and do the algorithm here. So now the orange layer is solved. So then we have to do this, the green and red, so it has to move to the left. Let's move it to the right. Then let's do the algorithm here and there. And the red solved, the green solved, the orange solved. But we have to still solve the blue one, which is there, and move it like that. So it's going to the right side. So it has to go to the left. Then we do the algorithms here. Do them again. Now the second layer is solved. So then we're going on to the yellow cross now. So if it's already like this, if you get it like an L shape, just move it to the top left here, And then you have to do this algorithm. So first move it clockwise and do those 4 moves. And then undo that first move and move it counterclockwise. And if you're getting like a line here, make sure it's horizontal like this and not vertical like this, because then it'll mess up the cube. So then just do that algorithm again. So move it clockwise and do the 4 moves and move it counterclockwise. So the cross is solved. Like the first cross, we have to find the most amount of colors matching. So this is there and this is there. So if these 2 are matching, put it to the right and the back. But if you can't do that and it's like parallel to each other, then you just do this algorithm for both. So you move the white side up, and then you move it down, and then you move it down, and you move it again, and then you move the white side up again, and you put it down. It's there. And if you doesn't match up, just do it again. So now it's like this, so just put it on the right and then the back. So just do that algorithm again. So put it up and there, and then put it down there again, and then. And now all of the colors are matching. So then we have to go to the corners. So this corner is not matching because the colors are orange, green, and yellow, but these are orange, blue, and yellow. These are also not matching. These are not matching, but these are matching. So only 0, 1, or 4 can match. If 1 is matching, put it to the right in front of you. If none are matching or 1 is matching, just do this algorithm. So you move the cube with your left hand to the right, right hand to the left, then you move your right hand up, then you do the same thing but with the left hand. Move it there, put it up, and then you do the same thing, everything but downward. So you put it down, and put it down. So if it doesn't match, it's okay to repeat it. So they're still not the same, so we just do it again. So right hand, right side up, left hand, left side up, right hand, right side down, left hand, left side down. Now all the colors are matching, but they're not in the same spot, like flipped correctly because of these 2. These 2 are. So you want to flip the whole cube upside down. So you don't want to mess up this part or you'll mess up the whole cube. So you just do those 4 moves until you solve the cube. So this part you don't want to mess up. So you have to move you move the corner over. Don't move the whole cube because that'll mess things up. Just move the corner over and then do those 4 steps again until it's there. So it's solved.
Good.